118,000 tokens. That is what a 30-minute Claude Code session actually costs you. Just on the noise, the boilerplate, the whitespace, the 2000-line cargo test output, where only 3 lines matter. A single Rust binary from a team you have never heard of. Just cut that to 23,000. Same session, same Claude. 80% of the bill gone. It is called RTK, 52,000 stars in 4 months, open source, Apache 2.0. In 5 minutes, the 4 strategies it uses. The one command that installs the hook. The 5 commands where the savings are biggest. And the 2 mistakes that quietly leak tokens even after you install it. Comment RTK below for the operator playbook PDF. Here is what RTK actually is. It is not a model. It is not a wrapper. It is a CLI proxy that sits between Claude Code and your shell. Claude asks for git status. RTK runs it, filters the output, and hands Claude the compact version. 2000 tokens become 200. 4 strategies do the work. Smart filtering strips noise. Grouping aggregates similar items. Truncation keeps signal, cuts redundancy. Deduplication collapses repeated lines into a count. Single Rust binary. Under 10 milliseconds of overhead. 100 plus supported commands. 0 dependencies. Install. 1 line. On Mac, brew install RTK. On Linux, curl the install script. That is it. The binary lands in your path. Now the magic. One command turns RTK into a transparent hook for Claude Code. RTK init-g. That global flag installs the auto rewrite hook into your Claude Code config. From that moment on, every bash tool call Claude makes gets intercepted, rewritten, and compressed. You type nothing differently. Claude prompts nothing differently. The hook does it. For cursor, RTK init-g-agent cursor. For Codex, --Codex. For Gemini CLI-Gemini. Restart your agent once. Done. Then verify RTK-version, RTK gain. If both work, the hook is live. Where the savings are biggest? 5 commands. Cargo test. 25,000 tokens become 2,500. Minus 90. PyTest. 8,000 becomes 800. Also, minus 90. Git push. 1,600 tokens of remote chatter become 120. RTK rewrites it to literally, quote, OK main. Git diff. 10,000 becomes 2,500. Minus 75. AWS Lambda list functions. Verbose JSON becomes 3 columns. Name, runtime, memory. The pattern. Anything Claude runs that prints verbose output. Tests, diffs, cloud listings, build logs, linter dumps. RTK covers all of it. 2 commands tell you if it is working. RTK gain. Prints your token savings over the last 30 days. RTK discover. Scans your history for the commands you ran the old way. Run both weekly. Now, the 2 mistakes that leak tokens even after you install. Mistake 1. Claude Code's built-in read, grep, and glob do not route through RTK. The hook only catches bash. Fix. Tell Claude to use cat and rg in claude.md so reads Go through bash through RTK compressed. Mistake 2. You treat RTK as a Rust tool because of the name. It is not. PyTest, GoTest, Jest, Whitest, RSpec, all covered. Same minus 90 on every test suite. 90% of you watching haven't subscribed yet. On Facebook, it is supporter. On YouTube, it is just free. One click. It tells the algorithm to send you more videos like this one. If this helped, please subscribe and support the channel. And comment RTK below for the RTK operator playbook PDF. Install commands for every agent. The hook config file paste ready. All 5 high savings commands. The 2 mistakes plus their fixes. RTK gain and discover usage. 1. PDF. Free. Subscribe early. Win early.